Hello and welcome to the Energy Connect studio at ADIPEC 2024. I'm delighted to have sitting next to me in the studio today, Mikhail Stepanov, the Head of Solutions and Services Delivery at TerraLink. Mikhail, thank you so much for joining us at the studio.
Thank you for having me here today.
Thank you. To start off, can you tell us more about TerraLink and what does it offer to oil and gas customers?
Okay. TerraLink is a system integrator in IT and solution provider company. So we help customers to plan and execute digital transformation. And for this, we offer a full stack of business applications and specific applications. So first of all, we partner with well-known vendors, international companies like SAP, it's Enterprise Resource Management, like IFS, it's a leader in Enterprise Assets Management and Field Service Management. OpenText, it's document and content management, and also UiPath, it's robotic process automation. And also to fill some gaps, we offer our own solutions. So we specifically for oil and gas, we suggest software for planning and optimizing upstream oil field and not only oil, also for gas fields. And having this, we are able to support our customers in their digital journeys. Our customers are from so-called, we call it asset-intensive industries. First of all, oil and gas, and also energy and utilities, and metals and mining. And region-wise, we're here in Middle East, regional headquarters in Dubai. We also work in Central Asia, countries like Kazakhstan, Uzbekistan, Kyrgyzstan, and Americas, both United States and Latam.
Right. So now with that kind of overview, what are the hot topics now trending in within digital transformation of the petroleum industry?
Yeah, it's interesting because yesterday I met a couple of people with title Head of Digital Transformation here and there. And it's interesting because they noticed similar things. So first of all, still there is a big demand for integration of business processes and of supporting end-to-end business process. Because large companies, they've done a great job implementing solutions for back office like finance, procurement, sales, and also specific applications for process management, for different industrial tasks. But still, teams are talking with each other with emails and spreadsheets. So there is no integration between these applications. And so companies first need to count this multiple applications which were implemented over decades, and then build a strategy how to integrate them. That's the first thing. The second priority is, of course, data. Because nowadays, like sensors, telecom, storage have become much more affordable. And companies think where to invest, what kind of data points they need, what kind of additional sensors they need to buy and install, what is their data storage strategy, is it cloud, is it on-premise, all kind of security questions. So this is around data management stream. This is a hot topic. And of course, data is required to train and then run AI applications. So AI is a third hot topic. You can sense it everywhere on ADIPEC as well.
Absolutely. Here at ADIPEC, data and AI are left, right, and center everywhere. So yes. What are the key benefits that AI brings to the table when it comes to the transformation of the oil and gas sector?
Mm-hmm. In general, of course, AI can bring a lot of operational efficiency, can improve decision making, mitigate risks, and provide like solutions for safe operations in hazardous environments. But I think AI role for oil and gas industry is pivotal because, for example, if you compare with discrete manufacturing like car equipment, these inventions were there for some time, like conveyor, this rule-based systems, algorithmic IT software. So take our partner SAP. Since 1972, it was inventor of manufacturing, planning, and execution systems for all kind of stuff. But oil and gas industry sits in a bucket of so-called process industries, where always there is a lot of uncertainty and a lot of risk. Things can not as expected everywhere. If you take drilling, if you take processes and preparation of oil or gas and separation. So that's why always human observation was required. Always there was an expert who monitored the process and who stepped in where critical decision was required. So with AI, I believe a lot of such roles, I wouldn't say will be eliminated, but people will get more tools to get their job done in a more precise way. This AI is empowering them even like to have complete vision what's going on, and so to take secure decisions.
I think that's an excellent point about the empowerment of the energy industry. Can you give us a specific use case of how AI has helped transform the hydrocarbon industry, and what are the impact that it's had?
I believe they've been for some time, and we can say already there are kind of commodity AI. Take predictive maintenance and applications to monitor equipment and to detect anomalies. I believe all equipment makers come with own AI applications, and of course this brings a lot of operational efficiency to reduce downtime of equipment and to save costs, as well as in supply chain. And there are also a lot of applications for employee productivity, which helps to do routine tasks for employees. But with oil and gas industries, we see specific applications of artificial intelligence. I already mentioned drilling.
Yep.
This is big because drilling operation generates a lot of data, a lot of parameters, and AI can analyze whether like pipe can be stuck or such a situations, predict such a situations, and then save significant amount of capital expenditure, which company need to do in order if things go wrong with drilling. Another example is interpretation of seismic data. It always was an expert who analyzed this seismic sets of data. Now AI can do like ground job, and then an expert just will do fine tuning, and that will help a lot to achieve more precise models of reservoirs and of oil fields. Yeah.
Those are great examples of solutions, and there are many solutions today. However, when companies are trying to adapt and adopt these kind of technologies, what are the challenges that they face, and how can they overcome them?
Okay. I see two kinds of challenges. First is, let's say, soft, and the second is more technical. Soft challenge always with human being, because and it's about change management. The people don't understand what is it, and what it will bring, especially to their job situations. Are they a threat, or is it a great help for them to do their job better? So I believe it's more like business education is required to explain different AI applications and how it works, and that it's not a threat for organization or for specific manager or employee, but it's a like assistant for him to do to multiply his job output. The second challenge is with data, because you cannot do anything without data. That's oil and gas companies generates a lot of data, and of course they have big warehouses. But now to harness data more effectively, I already said many develop strategies how to what is really required, what is hot, so how to store it, how to enable data to train models, and to then enable AI applications to fit AI applications with data.
Mikhail, thank you very much for your valuable insights. It's been a pleasure talking to you, and thanks for coming down to the Energy Connect studio.
Yeah, thank you.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to follow us on our social media and at energyconnect.com. I'll be back with more studio interviews from ADIPEC 2024. Stay tuned.